Few days ago, Tesla CEO Elon Musk said the Gigafactory started making Model Y SUVs. He said in Texas they are building the Model Y with the structural battery pack and the 4680 cells, and they will start delivering after a final certification of the vehicle, which should be fairly soon. Welcome to Elon Musk Trending. In this video, we will tell you everything we know about the new Tesla Gigafactory and the start of production in the facility. But before we jump in, if you can spare one more second, please hit that subscribe button and enable notification so that you will never miss any updates. An unofficial report says that Austin, Texas may soon begin producing the Tesla Model Y. Using drone videos and analysis, Joe Tetmeyer, who has been closely following the plant's construction, has written that production will begin next week in the first days of 2022. This would be major news not only for the plant, but also for the industry at large, especially since Tesla Giga Berlin has yet to start series production despite the project being announced several months ago. Model Y castings are beginning to pile up in impressive numbers at Tesla's Giga Texas plant, located just outside of Austin. Someone on site shared a Snapchat video of hundreds of Model Y castings on the property as Tesla ramps up production of the all-electric crossover. The Tesla Giga Texas, which is set to go into production later this year, has already begun in pre-production. Tesla has always attempted to improve manufacturing processes through various production efficiencies since its inception, which has been a company priority since its inception. The most impressive machine was the Giga Press, a massive machine from the Italian company IDRA that can cast the bodies of any of Tesla's vehicles in seconds. The IDRA presses have already been spotted on the Giga Texas property, and it appears that Tesla is preparing to start production with them. For several months, Tesla has been testing production equipment at Giga Texas. In July, photos of a Model Y chassis surfaced on Reddit, revealing the all-electric crossover's nearly finished body. Some community members speculated that it was most likely a test frame made in Fremont and shipped to Giga Texas to be used for calibrating the plant's automated production machines. On the other hand, Tesla has been producing fully equipped pre-production vehicles since late last month. More Model Y castings were spotted on site in the back of a ruck, most likely being transported to another part of the factory in Austin. Tesla began production of the Model Y pre-production vehicles at the plant in late August. Automakers frequently use pre-production phases to verify the precision and efficiency of the machinery on site, ensuring that it is ready for large-scale production. There was also speculation that Cybertruck chassis would be present at the facility, as Giga Texas is to be the primary place of production of the automobile beast. Images of Cybertruck-shaped items went viral, but it was never confirmed whether Tesla was developing the vehicle ahead of its initial production stages, which according to Tesla's online design studio have been pushed back to late 2022. Tesla has filed new filings with the Texas Department of Licensing and Regulation, indicating that the gap may be closer than we think. The automaker filed 5 projects for the Austin Gigafactory on Texas Architectural Review Board portal. The 5 filings, totaling 4,286,680 square feet, are named after different sections of the Austin Gigafactory: paint, casting, stamping, body in white, and general assembly. The total estimated cost of all the projects is close to $1.1 billion, and the scope of work is listed as ground-up construction and interior finish out of EV manufacturing facility in each filing. Tesla expects to start producing Model Ys in Texas early in January, as soon as the plant's initial development phases are completed. Tesla's accomplishments in building Giga Texas continue to astound. For the first time, the factory of the manufacturer formally and solemnly welcomes the employees to their new workplace. Tesla began building Giga Texas a little more than a year ago, and employees have been officially welcomed within the factory's walls. While no official statement has been issued, the images indicate that the company is hosting a welcome party for its new employees. Tesla employees have begun reporting to work at Giga Texas. To begin, a checkpoint was established with a sign reading "Tesla Employees" and an arrow pointing to the direction of travel. Secondly, in the staff room, some balloons spell out "Welcome." It is worth noting that Tesla employees have been working at Giga Texas since test sample production began in August. As a result, while such a greeting may indicate the arrival of a new group of employees, it is not always the case. The massive skyscraper in Giga Texas is nearing the completion of its frame. The central section is the only part that is yet to be finished. The installation of supports has already begun at this time. The structure that remains is entirely encased in a shell, although Walls, doors, and windows are still missing in some areas because the structure is made out of prefabricated pieces. They can be installed quickly. Tesla began Model Y crossover pre-production in Austin a few weeks ago. It is all a matter of waiting, as we are not aware of when the plant will be fully operational, and manufacturing would take some time to ramp up once production begins. This could mean that Tesla is well on its way to building Model Y crossovers with structural battery packs containing 4680 battery cells. There is no word on whether the new cells will be available, especially in large quantities. To accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy, Tesla develops infinitely scalable renewable energy generation and storage technologies such as solar panels, solar roofs, the Powerwall home battery, and the PowerPack battery system for commercial and utility scale locations. These productions make use of the most eco-friendly energy source available, the sun. Gigafactory 2 in Buffalo, New York, a 1.2 million square foot facility, began manufacturing solar cells and modules in 2017. Tesla added new manufacturing lines for electrical components for superchargers and energy storage products in 2019. Gigafactory 2 has employed over 800 people, and the facility is still ramping up operations and output. The 88-acre Buffalo River facility was converted from a steel plant to produce solar panels and solar cells. Tesla has agreed to create over 5,000 clean energy jobs in New York over the next 10 years, with many of them based in Buffalo, transforming the city into a center for sustainable innovation and advanced manufacturing. The press shop, foundry, body shop, paint shop, powertrain manufacturing, seat manufacturing, and final assembly are the major production departments at Tesla's facilities. Tesla plans to manufacture new 4680 cells with a higher energy density measuring 80 by 46 millimeters. Tesla's announcement in 2019 was huge and was dubbed a milestone for the rollout of electric transportation and the manufacture of battery cells in Berlin by Economic Minister Peter Altmaier. He claims that investment will improve Berlin's global reputation as an automobile industry site. The German automotive industry warmly welcomes Tesla's arrival in Berlin. It benefits the business location and demonstrates its high level of expertise. This was stated by Hildegard Müller, the president of the German Association of the Automotive Industry, at a conference in 2021. A wide range of suppliers stand to gain as we are Europe's undisputed leader and electric vehicle manufacturer, she added. You can scarcely think of another investment that would be more beneficial to the automobile country than another one, Volkswagen CEO Herbert Dean said on social media in early 2020. Tesla is a major player in fields ranging from battery cells and electric vehicles to car digitalization and self-driving technology. Volkswagen AG welcomes the new neighbors because it facilitates the development of the German ecosystem for future automotive engineering. This kind of healthy rivalry strengthens and inspires Berlin, he concluded. Tesla intends to begin production at both Giga Texas and Giga Berlin by the end of the year. These are critical components of its expansion strategy. Giga Berlin has run into some difficulties with so-called environmental groups that appear to be more concerned with stopping Tesla than with helping the environment. Giga Texas, on the other hand, appears to have the full support of the state government. With Tesla having completed the first phase of a major manufacturing project, the $1.06 billion investment will allow Tesla to expand quickly while producing up to 500,000 Model Ys annually at Giga Texas alone. This is the initial phase. According to Tesla's plans, Model 3, Cybertruck, and Tesla Semi production will be added in the future. We anticipate that with the opening of the European Gigafactory in early 2022, Tesla will rapidly ramp up and expand its business across 3 continents. Only time will tell how quickly Tesla expands and how this will affect Tesla car availability and prices. The big question is whether or not the new 4680 type cylindrical cells will be used and how they will affect range and performance. One thing is certain, it will be another exciting and enthralling year. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and don't forget to smash the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thanks for watching.